Welcome to Parsimony, your all-in-one business management solution. Today, we'll delve into the quality module, specifically the Quality Action Tool, designed to help you easily maintain top-notch quality standards. To access the Quality Action feature, navigate to the Quality module on the left menu. Click on Quality Action to initiate quality control processes and actions. Upon entering the Quality Action page, you'll find options to create new quality actions or review existing ones. This page allows you to manage and monitor quality-related tasks effectively. Let's make a new quality action together. Click on the Add Quality Action button to initiate the process. Here, you can define the type of action, review, feedback, goal, procedure, and status. Specify the resolution, provide a detailed description of the quality actions such as problem statement, resolution, and status, assign the task to a team member or responsible personnel, and set a deadline for completion. This ensures clear communication and accountability within your quality management process. Once you've entered all the required information, click Save to create the quality action. You'll now see it listed among the pending actions, ready for execution and monitoring. As the assigned team member progresses with the quality action, you can easily update its status. Simply click on the status, mark it as completed, and add any relevant comments or findings to maintain a comprehensive quality audit trail. Thank you for watching this tutorial. With the Quality Action feature in Parsimony, ensuring quality compliance and continuous improvement is a breeze. Stay proactive, efficient, and quality-driven with Parsimony.